So, you've built your app and you're ready to start giving access to your users. There are two ways you can do this. Either you can use Stacker's built-in user table, or you can use another table to be your user table. I'm going to explain what that means in this video. When you first set up your app in Stacker, it will create a user table as standard. You can find it in Manage Fields and Data, and in this drop down here. It will show a list of people who have access to your app. It will just be you right now. But if we go to Manage Users, then we can start inviting people to have access to our app. So let's put in an email address here. Click Invite. And that person will receive an email to sign up to our app. And if we head over to our user table, we'll be able to see that this person is already in our system, and once they've registered, they'll be able to update their details. One other thing that you might want to do on this page is add an administrator to your app. This is a person who can help you build the app, so they can configure how it looks, manage the users, and access all of the data behind the scenes. It may be that you want to store your user data somewhere else, like in Airtable or Google Sheets. And to do that, we just link a user table to a different table. For this example, I'm using a Stacker table called Users, and that table needs to have an email field in it, which is just a short text with a list of emails. So then I just click Choose Table, and I'll pick the table I want to use as my user table, and I'll need to pick the field that has their emails in. And here I can either decide which of those users in that table will get access to my app manually, or I could set it up to be automatic based on a particular criteria. I'm just going to give everyone access to my app for now. And now, if I head over to the data grid and look at the user table that I created there, you'll be able to see that the list of emails here will match up with the list of people who have access to the app over here. And just note that your users will disappear from this drop-down once you've set this up. And one other thing that you can do here is enable Open Signup, which generates a link like this that you can send to users and they'll just register via it. You could even share this link publicly if you wanted to give anyone access to your app. And that's it for the user table.